Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Today I'm here with one moral and short story. The story name is The Signal, written by Shaira Sharmin. It was lunchtime and the playground was full of laughter. Sam and his friends were telling silly jokes and tried to make each other laugh. One friend, Leo, suddenly held up a finger and laughed. This means something funny. Sam copied him, not really knowing what it meant. Some student nearby looked shocked. Miss Daisy, the your teacher, saw what happened and calmly walked over. Miss Daisy asked, "Do you know what that gesture means?" Sam and Leo struck. "Not really." Miss Daisy said softly, "It was very rude sign. It can hurt feeling even if you don't mean it." Later in class, their teacher, Mr. Thomas, had a talk with the whole class. He said words and hand signals send messages. Some makes people good, some don't. Sam raised his hand. What if we don't know what it meant? Mr. Thomas smiled. Then you learn something today, and next time you will make a better choice. That afternoon, Sam and Leo made a new poster with their classmate. Respect start with me. From then on, Sam used his hands to wave, help, high five, and to remind others choose kindness always. So, what about you? That's all for today. Bye bye.